it's a what?
Retro.
Another trip down memory lane. What was this place called? Lieber State Recreation Area?
Yes.
Kegel's Mill Lake and...
It was flooded that year. There's actually 2 waterfalls here, Upper Cataract and Lower. It was so flooded you couldn't tell the difference in the falls.
Oh, yeah, and there's a light picture of a flood.
Yeah.
A light pole sticking up from the flood, too. You could tell where the water level was in this one. It had just started receding. Later on, there'll be pictures of that,
That's
too.
Kegel's Mill.
Kegel's Mill Dam. That was a pretty cool dam. Got to drive across it.
Drove down by it, too.
Yep. There was a spot here coming up right there by there somewhere where a lady's daughter had donated the whole property with the covered bridge that was on it.
Yeah.
That's coming up here soon.
They've added stuff since then. If you go online,
this was the Upper Cataract Falls right there.
Yeah, you couldn't hardly tell it was a waterfall.
The Lower Cataract Falls was underwater.
Yeah.
That's where the light pole is.
Yeah.
That will be sticking up. But yeah, this is Upper Cataract Falls.
It was pretty high though.
I'm waiting for the... Oh, that's towards the end. Yeah. That's right. But the light pole, at the end of this video, there's a light pole sticking up. Looks like it's in a parking lot. That's Lower Cataract Falls. Yeah. It wasn't a waterfall. It was a flood then.
Yep.
I forgot what that was looking up at. But we are in... Oh, that's looking down from the dam. Not up on top, but we were in front of the dam looking back.
That was some trails we didn't get to go because they were flooded out.
Yep. This is a little picnic area that had just...
started drying out.
Yeah, yep. And there's some of the flood damage by the picnic area.
Yeah.
And we drove... we drove under... We were on a trail we were driving on, and the water... You could see where the water line was like 15 feet above our heads. This was on the way to it, come to think about it. Yeah, the water level was at least 15 feet over our heads. It would have been. If we'd have been there when it was flooded.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is, right here. Angus Wallace Steiner. But, yes, this was some lady's property, and when she died, the family donated it to either the county or... I think it was state.
State owns it. There's the covered bridge. You can walk across it.
Yep.
And that's part of the
Upper Cataracts, yeah. Yeah, because it was all on private property, and then they donated it to the state. It's looking down at the dam.
That's part of the falls.
That was the Upper Cataracts part of it right there by it, too.
Picnic area.
And another picnic area in there. This is the flooded picture right here. That is Lower Cataract Falls, but the waterfall is under the water.
Yep. Because you're supposed to be able to walk up to that lake.
General store in the area.
Oh, very awesome. Wooden floors.
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look at that sunset. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Later.
Later all.